So we've parked our car in the Matterhorn terminal here, and fairly simple parking. You just need to park your car, take your keys with you, ensure everything's locked. So now we are gonna take the shuttle train to Zermatt, which is in the next 16 minutes. So we are here at the ticket counter to buy our ticket. Let's get us a round trip ticket because 1.5 दिन में हम वापस आने ही वाले हैं.
और वो वैलिड है 30 days के लिए.
हाँ.
So we will take a Zermatt round trip half travel card.
हाँ, ये वाला full है.
Full नहीं ले रहे because half travel card already हमारे पास
We have the
है.
Swiss half pass basically.
Correct. So the full one, if you see, is for 1720 per person.
Yep.
However, we don't want that. Right. So we want this.
Yes.
Which is exactly half.
Yep.
Like 60.
And let's take 2 of those.
2 of those. And let's pay.
We got 1 and I got mine. So हमें मिल चुका है हमारा Zermatt का round.
Look how pretty it is.
So yeah, those are the places you can go while you're in Zermatt. So now our train is in about 10 minutes and we'll walk to the platform. It's a 12-minute train ride from here, Tash to Zermatt.
And
And
then from there we have a little bit of walking.
yeah, we have a 10-minute walk with this. That's all that we're carrying. And our shuttle to Zermatt is here. It will leave. Yeah? You've already?
You told me to keep the ticket safely. It's so safe that even I can't find it.
Please find it. Where is it?
Yes, oh, I found it.
Good for you. Shall we go? Because the train is here.
I have so much of attachment issues. I am missing the car already because car is such a मतलब वो एक मेरा ना मिनी घर बन जाता है. मैं हर एक उसके पाउच में चीज़ें रखती हूँ और मुझे पता है सीट के नीचे भी मैंने चीज़ें रखी हुई है.
It's like your
Yeah.
treasure box.
Yes.
When I go for the car cleaning, the person is like, "Sir, ये मिला. Sir, इसका क्या करना है? Sir, इसका क्या करना है?"
जी.
You can see outside. I think you also get shuttle buses.
Right.
Which go to Zermatt.
You also get taxi because हम
Yeah.
पार्क कर रहे थे ना opposite side लिखा था कि Zermatt taxi stand.
Yeah. These are like special taxis which only shuttle you from Tash to Zermatt. Like you might wonder when it's a car-free village, why are the taxis running? But this is specifically just to shuttle people from here to Zermatt. You can also take any of those, but this is the fastest, the cheapest, and in fact, you guys saw it's extremely easy to and a smooth sail, honestly. So yeah, let's get to Zermatt. So we've reached Zermatt and with your Swiss cap.
Yes.
And now we are walking to our B&B. While Zermatt is a car-free village, you do have electric buses which you can take. Yeah, electric taxis. But we on our part, we felt it's just a 10-minute walk, not a lot. We don't have a lot of luggage. So we decided we'll just walk it. It'll also give us a chance to soak in the vibe of this very quaint, very quaint and very...
Like a little town.
Yes, at the foothills of the Alps. So we're almost at our Airbnb and the Matterhorn just loomed up in front of us. Look at that beauty. Good morning, guys. It's a lovely, lovely day in Zermatt. The sun is out, the sky is blue, and we've got a couple of places to visit and eat. But before we move out, we wanted to give you a tour of our Airbnb. It's a really cute, sweet room. Messed it up a bit last night, but still we'll give you a quick tour. Maybe hide all the mess and take you through the room. So that's our room from the entrance. We've got a small kitchenette here. It's got a stove, it's got a oven, it's got a microwave, and these are cupboards where they have got crockery. You also got a nice cute fridge. We've got a couple of things kept in here. We've got a very nice cute bathroom, and the best part, it has a bathtub as well. Moving on to the bedroom. That is our bed. We've got 2 side tables in the form of barrels. You can see a lot of wire cluttered over here because our stuff is charging. And We've got the seating area. Very quaint, very cute. And the best part is, we also have a small little garden which Sangeeta is already enjoying. Hello there.
Hi.
So we've got this garden along with our B&B, and the B&B is right on the street, but given that this is a car-free village, it's really quiet. There's no noise at all. And the best part about this B&B, right outside the B&B, you get a view of the Matterhorn. The host is really sweet. Really, they've given us recommendations of what we can do in Zermatt, places to eat, things to do. Very cute B&B. We'll put the link down below and you guys can check it out. And now we're gonna start our day in Zermatt. Let's go! Guys, as is evident, this is our B&B and that's the Matterhorn. We're gonna start walking towards the main town of Zermatt. We're gonna be exploring a couple of things, and the sound that you hear is this beautiful river flowing. So we've taken a stop at this cute cafe, Zermatt Kitchen, and we've taken a croissant, a custard and fruit croissant for ourselves.
And then inside there's also jam. I just realized.
Oh yeah, there's jam inside.
It has blueberry and raspberries.
Yes.
And also strawberries.
Yes.
Yum.
Tell us how it is.
Very good actually.
Yeah? Let me have a bite. I know I made a mess.
That's okay.
Amazing breakfast meal. Custard and croissant. So good.
By the Matterhorn.
Oh yeah. So we are planning to go to Refelsey Lake and to Gonegrath, where we have some very majestic views of the Matterhorn. I doubt it can be more majestic than what we already see from our B&B, because it's like towering out there.
Yeah.
But we'll go to Gonegrath and we'll have a look at the Matterhorn there.
Let's do it. We are at the train station now. We finally reached.
Yeah.
So अभी हम चलते हैं, टिकट लेते हैं.
So the train to Gonegrath is right opposite the Zermatt terminal, from where we came in the shuttle train from Tash. The Zermatt shuttle train station is this side and the Gonegrath station is this side. Let's go. So guys, once you're here, you can just pick up your tickets on your own. Now, depending on whether you only want to go to the Refelsey Lake, you can take the Rotenborn round trip, or if you want to go all the way up to Gonegrath, you can take the Gonegrath round trip. So a Rotenborn round trip, if you have the Swiss travel card, is 50 francs, and the Gonegrath round trip is 57. So you might as well just take the 57 one. Two of these, we'll pay this around roughly 11,400 रुपए.
Oh my god.
But that's all that you need to pay. वहाँ जाके फिर कुछ pay नहीं करना है. Rotenborn station, and we are descending down to the lake.
Don't say descending, we are hiking and we are not hiking.
And Sangeeta is wearing her Uggs.
This is a bad idea.
Which is a bad idea.
Please never do what I did. But the lake looks good.
Yes. And you get a nice view of the Matterhorn there.
क्या है अंदर? वुल है तो स्लिप करेगा ही ना पैर। Okay.
So we came all the way to Refancy Lake. We took a lot of drone shots, we took a lot of photos, but we completely forgot to vlog. Beautiful, beautiful location.
Yes. You can see the reflection of Matterhorn.
In the lake, yeah.
Yes.
The only tough part is this sort of hike. Okay, I'm gonna stop now and we'll resume once we are back at Rottenborn station. Ciao. अरे मेरे लिए रुको. So we have reached Gornegrath after our lake experience at Rottenborn.
Yes,
And what is this?
This is snowing.
Show.
See?
Yes, it is. Oh, we can see the snowfall on your black
Yes.
jacket. And this is where we are.
Come, we'll see.
This is basically Gornegrath, which is the last stop. That's the Matterhorn right there.
Yeah, tell us more. See and tell us all the names.
So that's Matterhorn.
Right.
Okay. And this one here is called Driftsjø Glacier.
Okay.
This one's called Breton Glacier, and this one's called Schwarz Glacier.
How cool.
Yeah. What is this one? Oh, this is called Sangeeta. Sangeeta, I've been wondering, where is this Christmas music playing? Is it at the station? And I just realized it's playing through your phone. Are you giving us the vibe? It can keep playing. Let it play.
No.
Let it play.
No charge.
Okay, fine. So, guys, this is the view from here. You can come actually maybe early in the day. Early in the day, the sky is a bit clear and you can see these peaks more clearly. Right now, for us, it's 3 p.m. here. And yeah, that's the Matterhorn, which is engulfed in clouds. You can hardly make out. I don't know.
I'm sure this train is going back Shankarpur.
We can, but we wanted to get to the restaurant as well, right? We can go to the observatory there. It should be warm, I guess. What do you know? You say. So basically Gornegrath में it was so cold, guys, that हम लोग just वापस आ गए. हम explore ही नहीं किए Gornegrath. और फिर ट्रेन में चढ़ने के बाद हमें लगा कि नहीं एक्सप्लोर कर लेना चाहिए था, तो हम वापस रॉटेनबॉर्डन में उतर के अभी हम वापस गोर्नेग्राथ वापस जाएंगे और हम थोड़ा ढंग से एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. वहाँ इतनी ठंड थी that I think we just got scared.
तो अभी हमने पहन लिया है सब कुछ, gloves and
Yeah,
everything.
and
Show your gloves.
it's snowing, so it's really cold.
आ गई
और हमारी
हमारी
ट्रेन भी आ गई है, तो हम अब उसको बोर्ड करेंगे एंड हम वापस से गोर्नेग्राथ जाएंगे. सो we'll see you guys again at Gornegrath. So it's snowing, guys. It's proper snowing. Yes. Let's go to the observatory. Guys, this is the panoramic view from Gornegrath, and if you listen intently, you can hear the snow melting and the glacier moving. Hear it. Yep. Sangeeta, you've got a snowflake in the actual
Yeah.
shape of a Christmas snowflake.
Yeah, like proper snowflake. I didn't know that these.
Yeah, they're formed like this. Wow.
Yes.
So it's snowing in Gornegras now that we're
Show
back.
us your head. It's not showing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's all white. We're gonna go up to the observatory,
Yes.
and the route is via here. So let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes. Let's go.
Oh.
Train.
Now
Yes.
we're up here. There might be a restaurant. Something. Oh, it's shut now.
Ooh. Okay.
It's from 11:30 to 2:30 only. Let's see. So we got a few postcards and one more souvenir for ourselves over here. Your attention has been caught by this.
I want to eat it. And
Why
it's
do you
white
want to
chocolate.
eat it?
Because it's the world's biggest chocolate, natural horn. This is white chocolate. I want it. All the restaurants are shut, so I'm
Yeah.
hungry, so maybe.
Yeah. तो संगीता, हमारा यहाँ का एडवेंचर तो खत्म हो गया है. हमारी ट्रेन भी आ गई है जिसे हम बोर्ड करेंगे.
जी.
तो क्या प्लान्स हैं अभी?
मुझे ना फॉन्ड्यू का मुझे गरम गरम चीज जो ग्रूयर का वो जो टेस्ट है ब्रेड के साथ मुंह में जाता है वो फील करना है.
चलिए फिर let's find a restaurant
Yes.
to have some great fondue. So guys, we are on our way back to Zermatt and you can see how beautifully it is snowing. Oh my god. I think we exited Gornegrat at just the right time because it really is snowing. Yeah.
Such big snowflakes.
And imagine this is all gonna get covered in snow in a couple of hours maybe, or maybe by tonight.
क्योंकि हम बोल रहे थे ना कल से कि मेल्ट हो गया है सारा स्नो एंड वो वी कुड हियर लाइक द होल ग्लेशियर इज मेल्टिंग. सो अभी फिर से स्नो होगा, फिर कल स्नो कैप्ड पीक्स दिखेंगे हमें फिर से.
Yes. संगीता जी, इस ट्रेन में आप 4-5 बार सफर कर चुके हैं. क्या कहना है आपको?
या इंडिसाइसिव थे, डर लग रहा था, फिर लग रहा था करना चाहिए, और फिर लग रहा था कि 11,000 रुपये दिए हैं टिकट्स में आज
2 जन के.
बट 11,000 दिया है तो करना चाहिए एटलीस्ट, लाइक एंड तक जाना चाहिए.
यस.
तो वो गए और इट वाज वर्थ इट.
अच्छा था.
यस,
मज़ा आया.
बहुत मज़ा आया. लेकिन सुबह से शाम हो गई बट इट वाज कम्प्लीटली वर्थ इट.
यस.
वी टुक अ स्वीट टाइम एंड वैसे भी हम जरमैट में एक दिन रहने वाले थे तो वैसे करने को और ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. ग्लेशियर पैराडाइज हमने सोचा था हम करेंगे बट वो एग्जैक्टली वैसा है जैसा हम टिटलिस में ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. तो सेम लाइक स्कल्पचर्स हैं आइस के एक्सेट्रा, तो फिर कोई पॉइंट नहीं बनता है, तो हमने वो नहीं किया, कुछ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट किया.
Which was really good. अब हम निकल जाएंगे जरमैट के सड़कों पर. थोड़ा सा हम लोग टाउन को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे और फिर हम क्या करेंगे? शॉपिंग करेंगे और फिर हम लोग शॉपिंग करके कहीं खाने जाएंगे.
सम होटल्स के प्राइसिंग में ही इंक्लूडेड होता है स्टेशन से हॉर्स कैरेज में होटल तक ले जाना.
ओह अच्छा, नॉट टू टैश, मतलब यहाँ से होटल तक.
यस यहाँ से होटल तक उसीलिए है, तो बहुत लोगों का ये एक रीज़न होता है कुछ होटल्स चूज करने का.
ओह
यस,
लवली. तो थोड़ा मार्केट्स घूमने के बाद वी रिटायर्ड बैक टू आवर BNB फॉर सम टाइम. थोड़े पैरों को हमने रेस्ट दिया, थोड़ी बॉडी को रेस्ट दिया हमने, और अब हम निकल चुके हैं फॉर आवर डिनर. Date night. We're going to this place nearby. It's about a 5-6 minute walk where we're gonna have fondue.
Yes.
Sangeeta is a big cheese fondue fan and so am I.
Hardly एक इंसान
नहीं है और इतना स्टोइक सा एक ये विलेज है. और बारिश इतनी हुई है कि जो मैटरहॉर्न हमारे BNB से आज सुबह तक विजिबल था वो अब बादलों के पीछे छुप चुका है.
बिल्कुल दिख ही नहीं रहा है, कोई बोलेगा ही नहीं. मतलब अगर हम आज फर्स्ट डे आते तो हम कहते कहाँ है मैटरहॉर्न.
हाँ,
मतलब लिटरली नो ट्रेस.
इस ओकेजन पे एक गाना सूझ रहा है मुझे.
बताइए.
मैटरहॉर्न छुपा बादल में. Starting off with the Coke, are we? You look so nice.
50 rupees Coke I just drank. Just thinking.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you. Show us that happy face. You're very tired, aren't you?
Today was crazy.
Yeah.
Many minutes later.
Thank you so much, Yanis. The cheese is still bubbling.
Of course, it's very hot.
You were waiting for this, weren't you?
You should just try the piece that.
Yum. Sangeeta is looking like Manoj Bajpayee from Gangs of Wasseypur. So I'm not So we're done with our dinner. It's been a fairly long day with going to
But I am just
No, 1 second. Where did we go to?
the restaurant.
No, before that, where did we?
Matheran.
We just heard a couple of Indian people here referring to Matterhorn as Mathiran. Alright. Seems the joke didn't strike a lot with you.
No, it did. I have already laughed enough.
So yeah, we are really tired after our escapade to Matterhorn and then to the restaurant. And
It's just, however, bizarre to me how expensive Switzerland is.
yeah,
So save up money before you come here, because food is the biggest thing. Like that small glass bottle of like Coca-Cola is like $600,
yeah.
and we have a terrible habit of drinking something with our food. Not every food, like not with dal chawal. However, when you're eating something so dry like a sandwich or
Like what we had,
pizza
fondue.
or things like that, which is very bready and not like masaledar or gravy. We take drinks. तो बहुत ऐसे लगता है कि मतलब 2 कोक आपने लिए और आपको मतलब 1200 रुपये देने पड़ रहे हैं उसके. या यहाँ पे fondue also, like you can't order one fondue and share.
Yeah,
You need to order 2 portions.
yeah.
Of
It's not
fondue.
about fondue. It's like if there are 2 people on the table, you need to order 2 mains basically. You can't share one main.
And each main is like आराम से
3,000 रुपए.
3,000 minimum.
Minimum.
3,000 से 4,000 रुपए. So it's like आप कुछ ही नहीं खा रहे हो, आप सिर्फ एक fondue and say chicken nuggets 6 pieces nuggets ले रहे हो and 2 Coca-Colas is like 10,000 rupees like minimum. This is like normal restaurant, not 5-star, not Michelin star. तो ये बहुत डिफरेंट है फ्रॉम इटली और फ्रॉम फ्रांस. लाइक इवन पैरिस वॉज नॉट दिस एक्सपेंसिव एट ऑल. वी हैव गॉन टू सम फैबुलस रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड at any given point like 5,000 6,000 is good. Of course if you're going for like a lavish meal where you are having some wine, you have some entree, some dessert, then ठीक है 10,000 rupees understandable. but यहाँ पे आप chicken nuggets and fondue and 2 Coca-Colas is like 10,000 11,000 really hurts the pocket. तो कहने का मतलब है कि बहुत मतलब it pinches you because it's not worth it. Like that's my only thing. I'm not saying that the chicken nuggets is not good or the fondue is not good, but it's not worth it also because it almost feels forced. Like we have been taking 2 fondues because usually they don't have any other chicken option or things like that, so we take and we invariably cannot finish it. So then ऐसा लगता है कि it's extremely wasteful, but you have to take it just for the sake of taking it because there is no other option, so you feel a little forced. So that's the thing. So that really frustrated me a little bit today, but I think every place
has
comes
its nuances.
with its own quirks and nuances, so it's fine. But if you're coming here, please remember that it's an extremely expensive city. And I mean, keep that in mind.
Honestly, you want to go out and eat food. You don't want to carry all your food from India. We did some bit of it, but honestly, यहाँ आप vacation पे आए हो तो आपको बाहर खाने का मन करता है. पर I think apart from Italy and France, Switzerland specifically, I think you need to keep in mind, and if not, get food from India. At least budget this bit into your trip. That food is going to be a major expense out here.
I mean in the morning we had like one croissant thing and it was like
$800.
850 900 rupees. I don't get it, but on that
and on that note, with our heavy tummies and our tired limbs, we are now going to close the vlog for today. It's been an extremely adventurous day for us.
And we are walking to the Airbnb because it's a
car-free
village and it's practically deserted.
So on that note, because we are now panting with walking and talking, we will close this vlog. Tomorrow will be another beautiful day where we'll get out of Zermatt. We're gonna drive to a couple of places. Time permits, we might go to an extremely awesome place, so do come back and join us in our next vlog. Until then, toodoo!